Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by backing up important files to an external drive or cloud storage. Make sure you have administrator rights on the computer where you will update drivers. Confirm the computer has a stable internet connection for real-time downloads and verification. Choose between Driver Pack Online for smaller download size or Driver Pack Offline for a full driver library. Download the chosen package from the official Driver Pack source and save it to a known folder. Close other applications to avoid interruptions during installation and updates. Locate the downloaded Driver Pack installer and run it as administrator to start the process. Accept any user account control prompts to allow installation and system changes. Select Express mode for a fully automated update or choose Expert mode to review and pick specific drivers. Driver Pack will scan your hardware and detect missing or outdated drivers on the system. It will then download compatible driver packages and install them with minimal input from you. Allow automatic restarts if prompted to complete driver installation and registration. After installation, reboot the computer and open Device Manager to verify driver versions. Test key devices such as GPU, network adapter, audio, and touchpad for correct functionality. If you see issues, use Device Manager to roll back or uninstall problematic drivers. Create a system restore point right away after successful updates to enable easy rollback later. Keep Driver Pack updated by repeating scans periodically or when adding new hardware. Remove any unwanted third-party drivers and prioritize updates for GPU, chipset, and network components.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.